Okay.
Whoa! Don't cut your arm.
I'll cut my arm if that's what happens. That's what happens.
It's like sorry. You have such thick
Ow,
hair.
this hurts. I have so much
Beauty
hair.
knows no pain.
Woohoo!
Wow.
One
that looks like
ponytail.
one ponytail.
Oh my gosh. Let me see.
This is wonderful. Okay. I'm having a great time.
All right.
First
Okay,
Animal
give it a
Crossing gets
picture.
announced, and now I'm cutting my hair off. This is a good day.
Yeah.
Two ponytail.
I look awful.
Oh, that's looking like you're going on the way to a mullet.
I look like a 90s lesbian. Which is a
I know you
good
look
look
like my
if you're
camp
in the
counselor.
90s and a lesbian, but any other time it's
I
kind
know
of...
you look like my old camp counselor. Braces and everything. Watch out, she might chop you.
This is a tough one. So, okay.
Easy, easy
No, no,
peasy,
don't
lemon
let me hear it.
squeezy. One last one.
Oh, I think you're shaking that.
Maybe I should keep it. It's kind of a look. This is a lot of work. My hands are not strong enough for this.
Well, if you keep do it every day, then you'll.
Here, I'll hold this part.
Thank you, Mother.
You're welcome.
Mother.
I'm calling my mom mother.
This one says, no, not me, not the last one. Bag of
You're
hair.
like a rat tail in the back.
Yeah.
Ooh. That is a cute look.
Well, cut the rat tail off. Yeah,
Oh
Anastasia,
my
cut that.
gosh. Wow.
It'll be shaved off. Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down, Dad.
Calm down.
Oh, you got no hairs.
Take a
Oh, they're
razor.
going to be. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Hair cutting
Cool.
done.
Here,
Yeah,
okay.
good idea.
All right. So get that out
This
of
isn't
there.
a bad...
Get that. I don't want anything that we're going to do.
I kind of do like this stuff up here. Not a big fan of whatever's happening here.
Those wings.
Oh, cool. Awesome. Great.
Did you hear what Dad said about instructions? You have to keep it.
Press down.
Okay, cool. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh God, I'm scared.
Just let it fall.
Try not to put it in the sink. Really.
Okay.
Yeah.
You get
It's
closer
gonna
to
fall
the
into the sink, though.
Yeah. Some.
After she said that, you move closer to the thing.
She's trying to see in the
I'm
mirror.
trying to see with my eyes.
Whoa.
Okay, I gotta get rid of this tuft.
You don't want to keep that?
Not a super big fan of
I
that.
think you have to.
Should I shave male pattern baldness on my head before I do the rest of it?
Oh yeah, Dad, make sideburns. Shave all the top and then leave the sides and make sideburns.
Oh, wait, I gotta do this stuff. I gotta do these sideburns here.
No, leave it.
Hopefully I don't cut into my temple. That's not gonna happen.
Ready to go, man.
You do it when she's completely done. She has no hair.
Dad, turn off the
vacuum.
vacuum. Turn off the vacuum. You have to.
You have to wait till she's done.
You have to turn off the vacuum, Dad. This is not the time.
Not one hair is leaving his bathroom.
I'm having a good time. Having a good time.
Looking nice. Looking all
Looking a little rough around the edges.
You look
That's
like
what
one of
I'm
the
saying.
old men who just shaved this part of their hair.
That's not what they did. They're balding. They didn't shave their. They didn't just shave the
top.
top.
It's a look.
It's not a look.
Yes, it is. Lizzie, you should just leave your hair like that. The boys are back in town.
The boys are back in town.
What do you mean?
Nothing. I didn't do anything.
Dad, turn off the vacuum cleaner.
I didn't vacuum clean anything. It's just my stomach. I'm hungry.
Hey, Dad.
Okay, keep the guard on your
Can you
head.
close the door?
Well, I
She
can't
wants you
watch
to
it?
have a shirt on.
Put on a
video.
shirt.
Okay.
Do you have a shirt on now? Cool. Good.
It looks like you're in pain, Tom.
Yeah, Dad, are you alright?
No, I was trying to see correctly here.
Oh, thank you.
Straight.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna shave my eyebrow. Ugh.
Oh,
I look like I got male pattern baldness. Are you okay?
no. It's totally fine.
I'm just very fascinated.
You just look really sad. Is this like a... What is this?
It's this is a very interesting show.
Okay, yeah, okay. Dad's having feelings. That's what's happening. He can't hide it from us anymore. He's got emotions.
What?
I can't believe that I said I'd do something and then I did it.
Wait.
I'm trying to get some work done. Excuse me, sir. Hello, 911? I almost shaved my eyebrow again. No, wait,
Please don't do that.
they just got... If I lose my eyebrows, I lose my identity. I know I said that about my GPA too, but I can say that about a lot of things.